Hi, in this video you will learn how to create this kind of case study animations right inside Figma without touching After Effects or any other motion design tools. Go to Figma and open Artboard Mockups and Animations plugin. As you see, we have lots of mockups. We also have 3D animated device mockups, and we have animations for your image layers or frames. In this example, I will go with this orbit animation. When you open an animation template, you will see placeholders just moving around. You just need to select the layers from your Figma canvas. You can choose image layers, frames, or components. After you make your selection, go to the plugin window and click Add button here. It will bring the images you select to the preview area here. As you see, the images are cropped. So to fix this problem, you just need to go to the ratio section here, and instead of 9:16, you need to choose From Layer option. This will get the ratio from the layer you select from your canvas. You can still change the settings. For example, you can add a radius to your image layers. You can change the timing of the animation. You can change the rotation of the cards while they are moving around. You can customize all those settings based on your design. On top of that, you can change the color of the background from this section. You can apply a gradient. You can apply image or video as a background to your animation. But in this example, I will use solid because I want to apply this gradient on my canvas as a background to the frame. Now we came to the best part. When you want to export this animation, you can easily download as a video, or the best part, you can import as a Figma motion frame. This feature allows you to keep editing your animation with the Figma motion capabilities. Like, it gives you all the layers, all the keyframes right inside Figma that you keep editing. Now it imported the frame to my Figma canvas. So if I enable the animation mode, as you see, all the layers, all the keyframes came as seen in the plugin window. So if I hit the play in Figma Motion, it plays the animation as seen as in the plugin window with all the settings I made. So let's say I want to apply this gradient background as the frame background. I can do that because these are all still native Figma layers. Let's say you want to change the image. You can just choose the layer and change the image. Once you're happy with your animation, you can now go to the Figma export section here and choose animated and choose any resolution or any format you like, export as video. The best part, you can use this animation as a prototype, or you can copy and paste into Figma Buzz or Slide as you like, because this is all native Figma motion with all layers and keyframes together.